Morning. Yesterday, a continuation of the previous session's narrative took place. So many investors were soothed by comments from the Fed on inflation risks being tamer or more temporary than expected. The S&P stayed in place, inches away from all-time high, and the Nasdaq marched on further to reach new record highs. And then the dollar index went further down as it did before, but then ended the day pretty much flat. I'm also looking at the volatility index for the S&P, so the VIX, which remains constrained at very low level, currently at 16.3. But then the question is, how long will it stay down until we have another volatility event? In the crypto space, Bitcoin is timidly trying to walk back on the massive losses from 2 days ago. On the session, prices rose 3.3% to the current 33,600. And one can see the uncertainty on the chart with a long wick the previous session when we were below 30K that went up, and then now an upper wick that aimed for 35K but failed. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, we can see a slight retracement from 48 to 47.25. So alts indeed outperformed on the session. There's a regain in optimism in the air, and that means more risk taking. So amongst the best performers, the graph is up 20%, Luna and Matic gained 12%, Cardano and Chainlink gained 8%. And then we saw Polkadot and Ethereum gaining between 7% and 5%. So basically, the underperformers from the previous sessions were bought cheaper. Maybe a similar dynamic is happening with Bitcoin on a broader scale. I came around interesting charts by Crypto Quant showing the exchange reserves seem to be decreasing and also the net flows that are falling. So that suggests large players have bought and are now taking coins off. This market, which a lot of people feel is another 2018, might actually just be a retracement in which whales and institutions are actually accumulating. It's also interesting to see data by Coin Metrics tracking miners' outflows, which also have decreased, showing that the selling that took place in May has, at least for now, subsided. Another bullish signal, but to be fair one that was ongoing even during moves down, is the decreased stablecoin ratio, so a decrease being bullish. It hints at a lot of buying power still on the sideline and potentially to be used for another round of purchases. Less bullish though, in the US, the SEC has delayed their decision on the Bitcoin ETF application. A lot of people saw that as a gateway for general public to gain easy exposure to Bitcoin and later on to crypto, but it looks like we'll have to wait for that. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility, but also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.